How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can edit body shape in SnapSeed. So there's multiple ways for you to edit a body shape. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. The first one is going to be perspective. Basically, you could just go ahead and move your object around, or we could do something like free right here, and you could adjust it accordingly. Now, the second way is to head over to head pose. In here, click on the gear icon, and then you want to select focal length, and then we could adjust it accordingly depending on our image right here, and it will actually go ahead and edit out the shape of the body itself. So once again, there's multiple ways for you to edit this, and the best way that you could do this is just heading over to perspective right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.